guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on Lincoln MKX guys, and we'll show you how to remove and replace headlight bulb. Stay with us guys, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 views on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. In today's video guys, we'll demonstrate how to replace low beam headlight bulb. We'll explain how to do the high beam. It's practically the same but a little bit less room, and if you need to replace the front turn signal, we'll include that one as well, and we'll show you usually where the bulb is located. So let's start on it now. So first guys, we need to open the hood of that Lincoln MKX. Now we'll explain for the left and the right headlight as well. The one towards the outside, this is your low beam headlight guys. Okay, this one right here. You can see how crystal clear those headlights are. We just made a video guys how to make your headlights look like brand new again, so check out the video, it's on the channel. The one on the bottom, this is your high beam. The one right here, the orange one, this is your turn signal bulb guys. So those are the only bulbs that you have. Low beam, high beam, turn signal. The same thing applies to this side right here. Okay, low beam, high beam, turn signal. And if you look at the headlight, okay, on the back side right here you have one big cap. You twist it, okay, counterclockwise, pull it out guys. And now the bulb is inside guys, and you need to turn it, okay, you need to turn it clockwise. No, counterclockwise guys, counterclockwise. Okay, you turn this way about 60 degrees, okay, and the bulb comes out. It's very important not to touch the new bulb with your fingers, because if you do, the bulb will burn very quickly. There is one place where you press down and okay, you're going to pull the bulb out. Sometimes guys, okay, it might be stuck here, so you may need to help it with a screwdriver. Okay, you can see this is the tooth. If you need to buy replacement bulbs guys, we'll have all the bulbs listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Okay, this is it right there. Now I'll grab the old one and the new one, and we'll put it together. So we get the new bulb guys, just install it. Do not touch the glass part with your fingers, because the oil from your fingers will make the new bulb burn really quick. Now it goes in, okay, I kinda like remember how it goes in. It goes in, okay, like that, okay, in the hole there. So it's very guys, okay, very limited room, so let me get it in. Okay, once you get it in guys, okay, you want to go just clockwise, okay, until okay it locks in place. Okay, perfect, this one is ready now. If you want to see guys, okay, don't forget to put your cover on. If you want to see the high beams guys, okay, it's right here, but it's super limited room. Your high beam bulb and turn signal bulb are here. The turn signal again, you turn it just like that guys, okay, just what we did to the other one, but it's super, okay, super limited room, and you have to have small hands. The high beam is easy, okay, you just turn it and pull it out, go clockwise, and if you need to, okay, if you need to remove it, it's there. I can show you. Okay, right there, this is high beams. I dropped it right there guys. The only thing, the turn signal I won't be able to show you, okay, but you just turn it again counterclockwise, pull it out, replace the bulb, and put it together. So from that point on, putting it together guys, it's in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.